This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use cat eye polish. So we started off with the perfect base, which is Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and now I'm going in with the Super Cat Eye, which y'all, it is literally magic, and I'm going to show you the many ways and different designs that you can do. So with magnetic polish, it's really important, once you get the design you want, that you cure right away, because the little magnetic particles do start to fall. Now, Madam Glam's polishes are so lovely, so they do not fall as fast as other magnetic polishes, but you have to make sure to ensure the perfect nail art, that the moment you have it to your liking, to the desired effect, you pop that baby in the cure lamp. Now, if you're using a UV lamp, ensure you cure for a full 2 minutes. If you're using an LED lamp, 30 seconds and you're good to go. Now, what I love about magnetic polish is if you do not like the design you've done, while it is still wet, you can swipe again and just keep on creating designs until your heart's content. With Madam Glam, fresh, gorgeous, dynamic designs are right at your fingertips. Just ensure that you have the proper magnets so that you can shapeshift using your magical wand any design you choose. Now, I'm just going to go through a series of different things that you can do. I am just playing around, as should you. That is the best way you're going to find out the viscosity, how the product moves, is through trial and error. And trial and error has never been this fun. As you're seeing, if you do not like the way the design is turning out, you can just swipe, put some fresh product on there, and you are good to go. Now, this is one of my favorite techniques. You can draw things out, but it can also create such a dynamic marble design. And this one is too gorgeous. We cannot swipe her away. So we are going to cure, and then we're going to get into the second part of this tutorial. So it is very crucial to make sure in between steps that you are curing for 30 seconds so that you have the best possible finish. You do not want to have under-cured product, as that leads on the natural nails to horrible allergies, and you do not want contact dermatitis. So I am taking these 4 beautiful colors from the Pour Me a Glass collection. Now, these glass gels are perfect to put on top of cat eye, because not only do you get the dynamic shift, but you get the gorgeous jelly. So this is a marriage, and it is a match made in heaven. Earlier, when I was mentioning allergies due to uncured polish and contact dermatitis, we don't want any polish curing on our skin, because that increases exposure, like overexposure increases your chances of allergies. And we do not want to mess around with anything like that. You do not want your love of nail art to cause an allergy. So it's just really important to make sure that you're working as clean as possible, and that's where we go in with cleanup brushes and things like that, so that you can have that perfect salon quality right at home. Now, I am going in with Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat, which is my by far favorite top coat. It is scratch resistant, high gloss, and just seals in all of your hard work. Once you are done sealing in all the magic you create, pop that baby in the lamp for another 30 seconds, and your final look is ready to go. With Madam Glam, not only are you getting salon quality products, but you're also getting healthy vegan polishes that are going to allow your nails to stay long and strong. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, head over to www.madamglam.com so you can get yourself these goodies.